Hello po, good evening mga ka-spacers, mga kasyensya out there. And welcome to this online telescope viewing of our waxing gibbous moon at about 99% illumination. Alright, so you heard that mga kasyensya, it's 99% illumination. So our moon tonight is almost a full moon, halos full moon na siya. But our maximum full moon will be tomorrow. And tomorrow is a special day for astronomy because we will be witnessing tomorrow night a lunar eclipse. And also our moon tomorrow will be at its maximum perigee. So meaning that the moon will be in its closest orbit around the earth. So yun ang tinatawag natin na super moon because the moon will appear bigger than the usual. Kasi nga po nasa closest point in its orbit around the earth ang buwan. Plus you have the lunar eclipse tomorrow. So tatawagin natin siyang super moon, blood moon. So kung bakit na blood moon, mamaya po I will show you a computer simulation on what to expect tomorrow night during that lunar eclipse. Okay, so today is May 25, 2021. And my telescope, mga ka-spacers, mga kasyensya, is pointing at the waxing gibbous moon at 99% illumination. So ang ganda ng buwan, di ba ho? What do you think? So kung nagagandahan po kayo sa buwan at namamangha po kayo sa buwan ngayong gabi at walang kaulap-ulap, please let us know. Just type in your reactions or your comments in our comment section below. Alright, so kagabi nag-online telescope viewing din po ako. And magpapasalamat lang ako dun sa mga nanood dun sa ating public telescope viewing, online telescope viewing kagabi at dun sa mga nag-react. Alright, kagabi dun sa ating online telescope viewing. So magpapasalamat muna ako kina RS Wilson Constantino, Lucas Batungbakal, Florence Pauline Basubas. Siya pa ang aming she will be our guest speaker tomorrow. Right, si Florence Pauline. Alright, and also si Delin May Kabahug. Alright, si Chris Dison, si Miss Andrea Field Ramos, all the way from Bulacan po siya. John Carlo Tamayo, Cristina Salcedo Butyong, Hazel Diezmos, Juby Castor, Teresa Dava, Mark Mamuri, Janus Kianu, Ryan Miranya, Angeline Kilang, Juliana, Kate Aliaga, RJ De La Cruz Alfon, and Mr. Jesse James De Jesus. And kanina po nag-post po ako ng picture ng waxing gibbous moon at 99% illumination sa aming Facebook page. And maraming salamat Miss Jessica Tiff sa iyong reaction dun sa photo na yan. Alright, so in a few moments now, mga ka-spacers, we will magnify the image of the moon. So ito, gustong-gusto to ni Miss Cheryl Castillo. Okay, so in a few moments now, mga ka-spacers, we will magnify the image of the moon so that we could observe more details of its surface. Ayan po. So sana po magustuhan niyo po itong ating online telescope viewing of our waxing gibbous moon, an almost full moon at 99% illumination. Alright po. And we're bringing the telescope to you dahil hindi pa tayo pwedeng mag-public telescope. Hindi pa tayo pwedeng mag-public telescope viewing dahil sa banta ng COVID-19. Alright, so mga ka-spacers, so here we go. Let's magnify the image of the moon. Yan, okay. So, fascinating po mga ka-spacers. Ayan po. So, ginigitna ko po ngayon ang Copernicus crater. Yan po, medyo maliwanag lang po yung gitna ng Copernicus crater. Hindi siya masyadong ganun ka-spectacular. Ayan po. So, that's the Copernicus crater over there. Okay, and let's move now the telescope, and we will point the telescope at the Tycho crater. Ayan, so sa Tycho crater tayo pumunta para po tayo nakasakay sa spaceship. Okay, so ito po mga ka-spacers, mga ka-siyensya, this is the Tycho crater. And mapapansin nyo po may mga parang puti-puti that radiate around the rim of the Tycho crater. Those are rays. And they indicate that the Tycho crater was formed from an impact event. The Tycho crater was named after the renowned astronomer Tycho Brahe, one of the greatest of the naked eye astronomers kasi wala pa pong telescope noon. And Tycho Brahe really contributed a lot to astronomy before the telescope was introduced. Okay, and let's point now the telescope dito sa mga dark areas of the moon. Yan po yung mga patag, lunar plains. But early sailors called them seas or Marias. Ayan po. So what you're seeing now is Sea of Tranquility. Ayan po, sa naglanding yung Apollo 11. Okay, so balik ngayon tayo ulit. We are moving the telescope and balik tayo sa Copernicus crater. Ayan po, fascinating indeed. No? Okay, so let's return the moon to its original size. Yan. Okay, so sana po nagustuhan niyo po yung magnified image of the moon. So if you have any reactions or comments about that magnified image of the moon, please let us know. Type in your reactions or your comments in our comment section below. Ayan po, so that's the magnified image of the moon. Okay. Ayan po. So, bago tayo po magpatuloy, ima-magnify ulit natin po yung buwan. So, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, later I will be showing you a computer simulation of the upcoming lunar eclipse. Yan, so para alam niyo what to expect tomorrow night using this computer simulation using Stellarium. Okay. Ayan po. So, dun sa mga kabubukas pa lang ng kanilang laptops and dun pa lang sa kabubukas ng kanilang cellphones, we are now viewing on screen the waxing gibbous moon at around 99% illumination. So again, today is May 25, 2021. Okay po. So again, gusto ko lang po ulit magpasalamat sa mga sumusunod, sa mga tumangkilik po sa ating online telescope viewing kagabi. So maraming salamat po kina R.S. Wilson Constantino, Lucas Batong Bakal, Florence Pauline Basubas. By the way, she will be our guest speaker, one of our guest speakers tomorrow. Meron po kaming webinar tomorrow afternoon at 2 o'clock. So just check out our Facebook page, the Vedan Society of Young Astronomers, for that webinar. Yan, very interesting po itong webinar nila Miss Florence Pauline Basubas. Also, thank you kay Miss Delin May Kabahug, Mr. Chris Dison, kay Miss Andrea Field Ramos all the way from Bulacan. Ayan, so Miss Ramos, thank you po, and sana huwag po kayo magsawa sa ating ginagawang online telescope viewing. Thank you din kay Mr. John Carlo Tamayo, kay Miss Cristina Salcedo Butyong, kay Miss Hazel Diezmos, Juby Castos, Teresa Daba, kay Mark Mamuri, Janus Kianu, Ryan Miranya, kay Miss Angeline Kilang, she's an officer of BSYA. So thank you Miss Kilang. Miss Juliana Kate Aliaga, estudyante ko to. And kay Mr. RJ De La Cruz Alfon, and kay Mr. Jesse James De Jesus. And shout out din kay Mr. Arnel Campos from the Manila Street Astronomer. So sana nakatutok kayo sir. And dun sa nagaya kanina sa aking moon photo, kay Miss Jessica Tiff. So ayan po, so maraming salamat at sana wag po kayong magsawa sa aming mga online telescope viewings, whether that would be the moon or the planets, because we are bringing the telescope to you mga ka-spacers, mga ka-siyensya. Kasi hindi pa nga ho tayo talaga pwede na mag-public telescope viewing dahil sa banta ng COVID-19. Ayan po, so we are doing this online telescope viewing para safe po tayo. And at the same time, we appreciate the beauty of the heavens kahit online po tayo. Okay. Alright, so in a few moments now, we will magnify the image of the moon again for the last time po, because later, during this online telescope viewing, I will be presenting a computer simulation on what to expect tomorrow night sa ating super moon, blood moon event. Okay. Ayan, so in a few minutes, we will magnify again the image of the moon. And baka magtanong po kayo kung ano po yung telescope na ginagamit ko. So I am using a Mizar reflecting telescope with a focal length of about 1000 mm. And I am using a Plausil 20 mm eyepiece. And also I'm recording the image of the moon using a Huawei smartphone na may camera adapter that is attached to the eyepiece. Alright, so in a few minutes, we will magnify the image of the moon. Shout out sa mga officers and crew of the Vedan Society of Young Astronomers. And shout out kay Mrs. Aurora Lim Cumpao. Nag-react siya dun sa ating moon photo, nakapopost lang kanina. Ayan po, so maraming salamat ma'am, and sana huwag po kayo magsawa sa pag-appreciate sa kalawakan. Okay, so ayan, abangan natin itong magnified image of the moon at gustong gusto ni Miss Cheryl Castillo. Ayan po, so yan, kung meron po kayong mga tanong about our moon, and kung meron po kayong reactions or comments about our image that we are viewing on screen, just type in your reactions or your comments or your questions in our comment section below. Okay, mga ka-spacers and mga ka-siyensya, are you ready? Let's magnify the image of the moon one last time. Okay, so get ready mga ka-spacers. Here we go. Yan, alright. Ayan, so sana nagugustuhan nyo itong ating magnified image of our moon. So ayan, tinututok ko po ulit sa Copernicus crater and I am moving the telescope now sa Copernicus crater. Ayan. Sing maputi na yan, yan ang Copernicus crater. Medyo hindi siya spectacular dahil maliwanag po yung niya, yung gitna. Okay. And imagine that you are inside the Apollo spacecraft. And imagine that we are in orbit around the moon. Okay, so I am moving now the telescope and we will point the telescope sa Tycho crater. Ayan, di ba? Ang ganda po ng buwan, no? What do you think? So, kung ano yung comments inyo, just type in your comments or your reactions. Okay, so we are now viewing the Tycho crater, mga ka-spacers. Yan, di ba ang ganda? Sa maraming mga guhit-guhit that radiate around the rim. Yan ang tinatawag natin na rays. And that indicates that the Tycho crater was formed from an impact event. And again, mga ka-spacers, the Tycho crater was named after the renowned astronomer Tycho Brahe, one of the greatest of the naked eye astronomers, Tycho Brahe. Okay, then we are now viewing the moon. Yung mga dark patches na yan, those are lunar plains. Ayan. Okay, balik ulit natin sa Tycho crater. Ayan po, binabalik po ulit natin. Ayan, okay. So yung mga itim-itim na yan, those are lunar plains. Sa mga patag po yan ng buwan. Okay, so let us move the telescope at ibabalik natin yung telescope sa Tycho crater. So if you have any questions or reactions about our magnified image of the moon, just type in your reactions, your comments, or your questions in our comment section below. Yan. And please like and share itong ating online telescope viewing so that we could reach more people, more students, so that they would be inspired to love the sciences, especially astronomy. Okay, so binabalik po natin yung image sa Tycho crater. Ayan, so para makita nyo kasi talagang spectacular po ang Tycho crater. Lalo na pag ganito yung mga 95% illumination, full moon, yan. Okay, that's the Tycho crater. Okay, so ayan po, sana po nagustuhan po ninyo ang ating magnified image of the moon tonight. Ayan po, so kung meron, we would like to hear from you. So kung may reactions kayo about our magnified image, yan, i-type nyo lang po. And kung gusto nyo din magpa-shoutout, i-type nyo lang po yung pangalan ninyo and also indicate your location para ma-acknowledge po namin kayo. Yan, so let's return the moon to its normal size. Okay. Ayan po. So maraming salamat at sana nagustuhan nyo ang ating online telescope viewing of the waxing gibbous moon at 99% illumination. Okay guys, so in a few moments now, we will turn to our simulation, computer simulation of the lunar eclipse tomorrow night. Yan, so alam niyo what to expect. Yan, so tomorrow, pag maximum eclipse, the moon will turn red. Again, because of its refraction of light from the atmosphere. Okay? Pero hindi mamumula talaga yung buwan. It's just an optical effect. Yan, dahil nga dun sa ating atmosphere. Okay, ayan po. So we will do a computer simulation later of the supermoon, blood moon event. So we will use this computer simulation called Stellarium. Okay. Okay, actually po ang eclipse will begin nasa ibaba pa ho yung buwan, it's wala pa ho sa horizon. Ayan. So that means pag nag-moonrise na, pag tumas na, pagkita na yung buwan sa horizon natin around 6:14 p.m. actually nag-start na po yung lunar eclipse nun. Okay? Ayan, so everybody, let's turn now to this computer simulation using Stellarium of the lunar eclipse tomorrow, May 26, 2021. Ayan, so in this computer simulation, yung moonrise natin will be at around 6:14 p.m. So at that time, nag-start na po actually yung eclipse. Ayan, so dapat nasa ano kayo, nasa isang area na walang puno para walang obstruction, para kikita niyo po yung buwan, or wala kayo dapat sa mga buildings. Okay, ayan po. And maximum eclipse yan will be at around 7:18 p.m. Ayan po. So ang maximum eclipse natin will be at 7:18 p.m. Yung mga ganyan na oras. Okay. Alright. So, ayan po. Okay, so alright, let us now view this computer simulation in a magnified view. Okay, the eclipse actually will end at around 9:49 p.m. bago mag-alas 10. Okay, so let us now view this computer simulation in a more magnified view. Naka-ocular ano po tayo view, para tayong nakasilip sa telescope. Okay, so kung mapapansin po ninyo, madilim po yung buwan kasi nasa ibaba pa ho ng horizon, hindi pa siya nakakaakyat. Okay? Alright, then, yan, unti-unti na siyang nakokoberan ng ating earth shadow. Alright? Ayan, so fascinating po mga ka-spacers. Okay, maximum eclipse is at 7:18. Yan po, malapit na po tayo sa maximum eclipse. Okay, so ito po. Ang maximum eclipse will be at around 7:18. Alright, so kung mapapansin po ninyo, ang buwan po ay pula. So ito yung po tinatawag natin na blood moon. Diba pula yung color niya? Again, this is due to the refraction of light sa ating Earth's atmosphere. Okay, so fascinating mga kasyensya, mga ka-spacers, and the eclipse will end at around 9:49 in the evening, yung bago mag-alas 10 na ng gabi. Okay, ayan po. So, sana nagustuhan niyo po itong ating computer simulation of the supermoon, blood moon event. Okay, so ayan po. Balik tayo po sa ating telescope. with our waxing gibbous at 99% illumination. Okay po, so ayan, maraming salamat. Sana marami po kayong natutunan. And I would suggest bukas po, maghanap kayo ng spot na walang obstruction. Huwag po kayo sa building kasi baka hindi nyo makita po yung buwan. Kasi po by moonrise ay nag-i-start na po yung eclipse. Okay? And yung maximum eclipse is at 7:18, medyo mababa pa ho yung buwan at that time. So I suggest that you look for an area na walang obstruction. Okay, so that's our online telescope viewing of the waxing gibbous moon at 99% illumination. So, sana nagustuhan niyo po ang ating online telescope viewing tonight. And kung may mga questions kayo or reactions or comments, just type in your reactions or your comments in our comment section below. Okay, so again, maraming salamat sa mga officers and crew of the Vedan Society of Young Astronomers. Sa inyong technical assistance, maraming salamat. Thank you din po sa mga administrators ng San Beda University Senior High School sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta, and sa inyo po mga ka-spacers, mga kasyensya out there na lagi pong nakatutok po sa ating mga live streams. So tomorrow we will be having an online telescope viewing of the lunar eclipse. So ang tawag po namin dyan ay lunardarity. So we will start streaming at around 6 o'clock. Yan po. Medyo maliwanag pa ho yan. Pero we will start kasi nga by 6:14. Yan, mga 6:14. Ano na yan, moonrise na yan. Nag-i-start na po yung eclipse. Okay. And also in the afternoon, if you have time, please watch our webinar. It will be live on Facebook. We have invited experts. So please watch our live stream in the afternoon at 2 o'clock, May 26. We will be having a webinar. So join us, mga ka-spacers, mga kasyensya. Tomorrow, 2 o'clock. Watch us on Facebook Live. We will be having our webinar for lunardarity, and at 6 o'clock we will be having our online telescope viewing. Okay, so I guess that's about it. So I hope nagustuhan niyo po ang ating online telescope viewing tonight. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang pagtutok. And this is your ka-spacer, kasyensya, Professor Jun Kahigal saying, live long and prosper.